Imagen AI and Aftershoot are often mentioned together because they both use AI to help photographers cool and edit faster. But the way they approach that problem could not be more different. They have the same goal, but they're very different philosophies. So instead of jumping straight to opinions, let's break down what Imagen AI does, how it works, where it shines, and where the limitations are, and then we're going to do the same for Aftershoot, don't worry. So straight up, Imagen is a cloud-based AI platform built for photographers. The entire workflow though lives online. You upload your images, Imagen AI processes them on their servers, and then you download the results back into Lightroom. It's designed to be very hands-off, very automated, and very appealing to photographers who want to minimize the time they spend just moving sliders around. Think of it like outsourcing a big chunk of your post-production, minus the emails and the delays and the excuses. Culling with Imagen AI also happens in the cloud. Your images or smart previews are uploaded, the AI analyzes them for blur, closed eyes, expressions, and duplicates, and then it groups and selects the photos for you. You can review those selections, make changes, and move directly into editing. One interesting thing that you have in Imagen AI is you can preview your images with your AI editing style applied during the culling process, which helps you judge keepers based on something closer to what the final look would be. That can be very useful if your style is consistent. The key thing to understand is that culling requires an active internet connection. There is no offline mode here. If your internet is slow, unstable, or maybe unavailable, Imagen simply cannot cull. Editing with Imagen works the same way. It's fully cloud-based. You train a style using your Lightroom catalogs, and then Imagen applies that style on their servers, and once the processing is complete, the edited images are downloaded back into Lightroom. When the style is dialed in, the consistency can be very good. But again, editing requires an internet connection at all times. So no internet, no processing. This is not a flaw, it's a design choice. That leads us to the strengths and limitations of this approach. Imagen's biggest strength is how hands-off it is once everything is just set up. Culling and editing live in the same cloud workflow, results are consistent, and it's attractive for photographers who want minimal involvement. Also, the fact that you can see your style applied to the images while still in the selection process is a huge plus. The trade-offs are just as clear. Upload and download times become part of your everyday job. Internet reliability becomes part of your workflow, whether you want it or not, and pricing is usage-based. Imagen charges per image processed, so the more you shoot, the more you pay. For some photographers, that's perfectly fine, but for others, especially high-volume shooters, that cost can add up fast. And of course, everything is uploaded to the cloud, which some people are not very comfortable with. I am, but some are not. Now let's switch over to Aftershoot. Aftershoot is a desktop-based AI culling, editing, and retouching software that runs locally from your computer. From the start, the philosophy is different. Instead of sending your photos out to be processed in the cloud, Aftershoot brings the AI to you. Your files stay on your machine and your workflow stays local. And internet is optional, not required. Aftershoot is built for photographers who want speed but don't want to give up control. That's another key difference. Culling in Aftershoot happens entirely locally. The AI analyzes sharpness, eyes, expressions, blinks, duplicates without uploading anything to the cloud. Over time, the culling becomes more aligned with your taste. And because everything runs locally, you can cull anywhere, like on a plane, in a hotel room, or late at night when the Wi-Fi decides it's done for the day. Editing with Aftershoot also runs locally and integrates directly with Lightroom catalogs. You can train style profiles from your own edits, the AI applies them onto your computer, and then you can tweak, refine, or override anything depending on what you want. The AI is meant to give you a strong starting point, but not a locked final result. You're still the editor, the AI just helps you to get there faster. On top of that, Aftershoot includes AI retouching. Things like face retouching, skin smoothing, and blemish reductions are built in and designed to be subtle and batch friendly. That's important. It's not about overdoing it or turning people into plastic. It's about saving time on repetitive cleanup, especially for portraits and events. And just like culling and editing, retouch runs locally and stays fully editable in your computer. The strengths here are pretty straightforward. The same tool handles culling, editing, and retouching. There's no internet dependency, and you will pay the same amount regardless of how many images you work on, and you get to stay in control of the whole process from beginning to the end. The limitations are also fair. Initial setup takes time. I mean, when you're creating your editing style, that requires patience. And performance depends on your computer hardware. This is software. It's not magic. Although, if it ever becomes magic, I'll absolutely make a video about that. When you compare Imagen AI and Aftershoot directly, the biggest difference is not quality, it's philosophy. Imagen treats editing as a final output. Aftershoot treats editing as a starting point. Imagen's speed depends on your internet. Aftershoot speed depends on your machine. Imagen charges per image. Aftershoot uses an unlimited subscription model. Neither approach is wrong, they're just built for different workflows. At the end of the day, both tools exist because photographers are tired of spending countless hours culling and editing. The right tool is the one that fits how you actually work, where you work, and how much control you want to keep. Again, both softwares are amazing and will definitely save you from being in front of your computer screen for hours. You already know what I use, but hey, you might want to use something different or something that works a little slower, and that's fine. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow Aftershoot in all of our social media to be always up to date with the latest we have to offer. See you all in the next one. Bye.